Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as Zaywall. And yesterday we made this bracelet that was bold in color, and I was talking about the idea that we could try it by reversing the colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this swatch here, come over to my template. Wait, somehow I didn't get it. Why did I not get it? Copy. Let's see, why is it not? This is the colors. Control C, Control V. There we go. Finally. Goodness gracious. Not sure what that was about. We're gonna keep the colors, the orange in the center, but we're changing the order. So, we're going to go with the yellow on the outside here. Fill in a little bit of the underlying stuff, only because I can. All right, the next color, a little bit more like an orange. And then more orangey. And then our darkest color all the way in here, like that. So our second one comes out into the diamond shape. The next one comes out a little further still. And the yellow makes it all the way down here. All right, so now, again, the colors that get the most usage are going to be the lightest. So now we can come out with the light blue. And that comes all the way out to here. So it comes to there, back out, to there, back out, to there, and there. And then our yellow should fit perfectly inside of this. And there's our yellow coming all the way to the end. So as a result, this is going to make this whole thing seem less bold. It's going to be amazing. I'm honestly, I can't wait to see this done. Okay, the second blue is here. Yeah, just putting the two bracelets side by side to compare is going to be really fascinating. Okay, the third blue. Inside of that. And the dark blue is just that one little spot. So even if you just look at the pattern at this point, it seems really, really different. So the second orange goes into the dot there, and then Fills in here. Third orange is there. And the darkest is here. And there's our diamonds that way. And then it'll be the dark blue in the middle of that and in the middle of that. So that's going to look kind of interesting as well. The fact that you have the dark blue and the dark orange in the center there. This will be the second color coming in here. And then it'll be this one. Again, I'm able to kind of go at this a little bit fast because I have done it a bunch of times over. Not making the pattern, not actually like doing this on paper or anything, but actually making the bracelet. So a lot of this kind of comes a bit natural. It's kind of a trick to see where things change directions, like what has to bounce off of what to get a color into a certain spot. But there we go. That's how the whole dark blue string travels throughout the whole thing. So all I gotta do is fill in the rest of this. Before I go, I do want to thank my YouTube members for making this possible. Without their support, I would not be able to make as many videos. We're over 800 and something now. I don't remember exact numbers, but I've made so many videos trying to teach everybody how to make a pattern or what comes about when making a pattern. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff out there since I've been doing this on the daily for a while now. So if you haven't, maybe go check out some of the older videos. There's some good ones, a lot of good ones, and they kind of don't get old because the designs that they make are still fun. So anyways, thanks for watching, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.